Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best camera for hiking Kilimanjaro you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Climbing Mount Kilimanjaro requires rigorous planning and an unyielding determination. Having the right camera on hand becomes critical as you travel through magnificent scenery and unique moments. Capturing the raw beauty of Africa's renowned peak necessitates a camera that can survive the harsh conditions while producing great image quality. In this video, we dig into the world of trekking photography, examining the best cameras for capturing the breathtaking panoramas, challenging terrains, and intimate moments that make climbing Kilimanjaro an unforgettable experience. We present a curated selection of cameras that promise to enhance your photographic experience to new heights, whether you're a seasoned photographer or an adventure enthusiast wishing to chronicle your voyage. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Exprotrek Action Camera 4K. The Exprotrek 4K is a popular low-cost sports camera with remarkable functionality despite its low price. This action camera delivers on its promises, with 4K 60 frames per second video, 20MP images, a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, and 40mm waterproof capabilities. The Exprotrek 4K camera comes with an underwater case, 2 batteries, a mounting kit, a USB cable, a remote control, a camera frame attachment, and a fast start instruction. The tiny design has 2 screens and several buttons, as well as a durable and well-constructed casing that provides great protection. The camera comes with a variety of adapters that allow for simple installation and control from a distance. It has a variety of shooting modes, filters, and effects, as well as adjustable settings and exposure control. The Exprotrek 4K can record 4K video at 60 frames per second, 1080p video at 120 frames per second, and 720p video at 240 frames per second for slow-motion views. While its electronic image stabilization, EIS, isn't as strong as those of higher-end cameras, it performs admirably for the price. The audio quality of the camera is adequate, however it may pick up on background noise. Overall, the Exprotrek 4K is a solid alternative for individuals looking for a low-cost action camera with outstanding functionality, but the GoPro Hero 11 is a better option. Pros of Exprotrek Action Camera 4K. Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS. Waterproof up to 40 meters, 132 feet. Dual screens. Cons of Exprotrek Action Camera 4K. Needs a waterproof case for underwater. Stabilization isn't very good. On number 4. Panasonic LUMIX GX85 4K Digital Camera. The Panasonic GX85 is a compact mirrorless camera that provides an excellent blend of image quality, utility, speed, and size at an inexpensive price. It has a well-built body and packs advanced capabilities into its compact frame, making it an appealing option for both novices and experts. The camera generates sharp images that compete with rival 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds cameras, excels in 4K video quality, and delivers a great overall performance. However, it has some drawbacks, such as a poor electronic viewfinder, slow buffer clearing for raw data, and a short battery life. The GX85 has built-in Wi-Fi for convenient connectivity and comes with a retractable 12 to 32mm lens. Overall, it is a high-quality camera with good construction and comfortable ergonomics, making it a tempting choice for photographers looking for a versatile and portable solution. On number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black action camera captures stunning. Number 2. AKASO Brave 8 4K 60 FPS action camera. The AKASO Brave 8 action camera has remarkable technical features including an 8K time-lapse and 48MP stills, making it a viable GoPro rival. However, its software flaws drastically reduce its total performance. Despite being slightly less expensive than a GoPro, the app connectivity on the Brave 8 is unreliable, and the build quality is barely acceptable. Furthermore, it fails to provide a considerable cost-benefit over a GoPro, making the earlier AKASO 7LE a better budget-conscious option. While the sensor capabilities of the Brave 8 are great, generating impressive images and an outstanding 8K time-lapse, its video quality and stabilization are not as impressive as its competitors. The app's frequent disconnections and crashes, as well as the requirement for many steps to upload data, detract from the user experience. Although the technology of the Brave 8 is outstanding, its software faults make it tough to recommend at its present price range, particularly when compared to the more dependable GoPro versions. Pros of AKASO Brave 8 4K 60 FPS action camera. Epic 8K time-lapse. 48 MP stills. Slightly cheaper than a GoPro. Cons of AKASO Brave 8 4K 60 FPS action camera. App connectivity not great. Build quality okay. Not that much cheaper than a GoPro. On number 1, guys, this was the video about the best camera for hiking Kilimanjaro. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.